All right, I'm gonna brew up this Amazon Bavarian Hefeweizen. It's from Northern Brewer. Inside, pretty simple kit here. Got the wheat malt extract, hops. Got our dried malt extract there, and some special yeast. Looks like we're gonna have to pitch this yeast. Priming sugar. Of course, the directions here. Bavarian have to do is boil about 2.5 to 3 gallons of water here. To a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and add half of this. I'm gonna add half of this, and I'm gonna boil it. Total boiling time 60 minutes, but boil half of this, stir it all in, and then 45 minutes later, I'm gonna add the other half, and then my dry malt extract. So this is a 6-pound can, so I'm gonna add approximately 3 pounds. Stir it in real good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the hops too. Smell good. It's been about 45 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and add the second half of this, and then I'm also gonna add the stuff. Add the dried malt extract. This is about 45 minutes into the rolling boil, so I'm going to go for about 15 more minutes. Stir it in. Making sure nothing sticks to the bottom and nothing burns on the bottom. Yeah, so this is the slow rolling boil that we're after, and so I got about 5 minutes left on the boil, and then I'm going to go ahead and kill the heat to it, cool it down as quickly as possible. With water now. I'm going to siphon the wort into here. And the wort off into fermenter here. Now I'm going to go ahead and rehydrate what's left in the pot from siphoning. That in there, I'm going to add directions call for 100 cc's or 100 milliliters, same thing, of water. Rehydrate it.
Come get it.
Oh, you can see it start to work. That's great. I didn't add exactly 100. It's less than a cup. Smell it. See it, it's working good. I'm just gonna get rid of all the big chunks in there. All right, make beer. I'm all ready to bottle this Bavarian Hefeweizen, and gotta get some priming sugar going. So I'm gonna boil some water here. And then add this, stir it all around until it looks clear again. Let it cool for a little bit, then I'll add it to my mix there. Sugar. Try not to burn it. Make sure it's all dissolved. That didn't take long. Got it all dissolved. I'm just gonna kill the heat and let it cool off. Now that this is cooled off, we'll go ahead and add it. Stir it around. I've sterilized, sanitized all my bottles. right, there we go. I got it all bottled up. Now I just gotta wait. I got more than this, but now I just gotta wait 2 or 3 weeks. All right, now what I do, I just write down the little abbreviation for whatever BH, Bavarian Hefeweizen. I'll write that on each one. So I kind of do that for each one here. I just cross out what the old one is. So this one was that last porter. So I did BH. All right, this has been in the bottle for about 3 weeks to a month. Smells good. Oh, it smells really good. Take a whiff of that. Ooh, that smells good. Oh yeah, let's try it. Mmm. Oh, very tasty. Got that Bavarian Hefeweizen taste to it. Real good. Look at the clarity on it. It's not too bad. All right, cheers. Thanks for watching.